When you use this Palmer Skin Success Palmers on your spots, because of the retinol that it contains, it is going to help to increase cell turnover. It is going to help to fade that dark spots. This is a true brightening face cream because it doesn't contain any hydroquinone, it doesn't contain any steroid. This is a true brightening face cream. Today I am so excited because I will be sharing the absolute best face creams for you to use in 2025. Sis, if you are wanting to go into brightening of your face this year, or just hydrating your skin the more, or even repairing your damaged skin barrier, or you want to get into anti-aging, you want to start using anti-aging face creams, then sis, this video is for you. This video is going to help to level up the face creams that you are going to be using this year, and you're just going to improve your whole beauty, your whole skincare routine, and your whole face care game. Now, if this video sounds like something that you're interested in, of course continue to watch. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, and without wasting any time, lest I forget, subscribe too. Okay, without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. Alright guys, so before I dive right into the face creams I have for you guys today, let us first talk about the 4 categories of face creams that we are going to be talking about in today's video. The first category of face cream is the brightening face cream. The second one is the hydrating face cream. The third one is the barrier repairing face cream. Now, this barrier repairing face cream is for those of us that have damaged skin barrier. Probably maybe you use like a skin lightening face cream that lightened your face. Now you're having uneven skin tone, your skin barrier is damaged, you need to get a barrier repairing face cream, right? Now the fourth one is anti-aging face cream. This category of face cream is for those of us that want to get into anti-aging, you want to start using anti-aging face cream, then this fourth one is for you. Comment down below what your goal for your face is this year. Do you want to treat your dull complexion? Do you want to have a more brighter skin? Do you want to treat your damaged skin barrier? Do you want your skin to be more hydrated? Do you want to get into anti-aging? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I am asking this question because it is going to help you to know the type of face cream you should go. Let us get into the brightening face cream. A lot of us are using some kind of creams and we are calling it a brightening face cream. You guys, I want to ask you right now, I am going to mention some face creams right now. If you are using any of these face creams on your face, you are using it every single day, sis, you are lightening your skin. You are not even brightening your skin right now, you are bleaching. I am going to make mention of about 4 or 5. The first one is Carotone. You see this Carotone dark spots corrector. If you are using this as a face cream, sis, you are bleaching. Let me just put the word like that. If you are using this as a face cream, you are bleaching your skin, period. If you are using BB Clear, you are not using a brightening face cream, sis, you are using a bleaching face cream. Now if you are using this other one called, is it JRA face cream, I'm going to have the picture. If you are using this one, for those of us in Africa, oh my god, if you are using this on your face, sis, sunburn, you are inviting sunburn into your face. Okay, now this fourth one is La 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 face cream. If you are using this on your face, you are going to get a brighter skin, but you see that bleaching, oh my god, this thing is going to bleach your face. Carotone contains hydroquinone, BB Clear contains hydroquinone, La 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 and the JRA, they contain some kind of chemicals that they contain steroids. If your face cream contains vitamin C, contains niacinamide, contains licorice root extract, contains alpha arbutin, you are using a true brightening face cream. But if your face cream contains hydroquinone, steroids, a lot of chemicals, harmful chemicals, then you are bleaching your skin. That is a skin bleaching cream, not a brightening face cream. Okay, this is the Vanish Vitamin C face cream. Vanish Vitamin C face cream contains alpha arbutin. It contains alpha arbutin, licorice root extract, and vitamin C. This is a true brightening face cream because it doesn't contain any hydroquinone, it doesn't contain any steroid. This is a true brightening face cream. Now there are other face creams in the market that contains vitamin C. There are a lot of them in the market. We have the Face Facts Vitamin C. I'm going to put a picture here. I personally used this one, I think last year, and honestly it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It brightened my face a little bit, but that is just about it. I have been using this since last year now, and it has helped to brighten up my skin just a little bit. I think about let me just say I got about 10% brightening from this face cream. If you use these face creams with a good potent serum, then you are going to get a brighter face. Like I said earlier, this one from Vanish, you can also use, there is this Bioderma one. I'm going to try to put the picture on the screen, and the name is going to be on the screen. This Bioderma, it contains niacinamide, also salicylic acid, that will help to, like, you know, exfoliate your skin a little bit and also brighten up your skin because of the niacinamide in it. Now let's go into another aspect of brightening face cream. This one is the spot treatment face creams. Now these spot treatment face creams, you know, you can use them side by side with your serums to help to brighten up your face and also treat your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, and all the rest. The first one is the Palmer's, I think it's called the Palmer's Skin Success face fade cream, something like that. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. Now this Palmer's, there used to be one that contains hydroquinone, but that one is currently discontinued. The new formula of this Palmer's does not contain hydroquinone. This Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot, it is a spot treatment. Okay, this is a spot treatment, and when something is a spot treatment, it means you are going to put it on the spot. You are going to put it on the spots where you are having the dark spot, the hyperpigmentation, and the rest. You are going to put it on the spots. This Palmer's contains niacinamide, it contains vitamin C, and it also contains retinol. When you use this Palmer's Skin Success Palmer's on your spots, because of the retinol that it contains, it is going to help to increase cell turnover. It is going to help to fade that dark spots. With the vitamin C, niacinamide in it, your spots is going to be well treated. But I know someone wants to ask me, Anna, can I use this on my full face? Some people use this all over their face, but I would not advise you to use it all over your face. Honestly, I feel like this is too strong because it contains retinol and contains vitamin C. They added retinol and vitamin C in the same product, which is very strong, because to my own knowledge, retinol and vitamin C doesn't go well together. So if they are adding it in this face cream, that is to tell you that you're supposed to use it to spot treat, not using it all over your face, because it can, you know, cause reaction and, you know, cause you to start breaking out and all of that stuff. And if you must use this, make sure you use it at night time, because it contains retinol, which would make your skin very sensitive to the sun. Now another spot treatment that you can use is the Ambi Fade Cream. I'm very sure a lot of us have heard about this. There is someone I know that used this Ambi face cream, fade cream or whatever. She used it all over her face and it bleached her skin a lot. Like, her face was very, very bright compared to her body. It bleached her skin and her veins were showing, because this Ambi Fade Cream, there is also the hydroquinone version. When you are getting this Ambi Fade Cream, make sure you get the hydroquinone free version. This Ambi Fade Cream contains vitamin C, it contains diglucosyl garlic acid, which is a skin brightening agent. It also contains niacinamide, it contains aloe vera, it contains a host of brightening ingredients inside of it. So you can use this to spot treat. Use it to spot treat where you are having your dark spots. Apply it to the areas where you are having your dark spots. But if you want to use it as a face cream, then it is up to you. Make sure you use it at night time if you want to go ahead to use it as a face cream, okay? But if you want to use it as a face cream, like I said earlier, get the hydroquinone free version. Don't get anything that contains hydroquinone, because you are just going to bleach your skin. Like, it is just going to lighten up your skin. Hydroquinone is not necessarily bad, but a lot of us don't know how to use it, and you know, we end up damaging our skin while using it. So for spot treatment, you can use the Palmer's Skin Success and also the Ambi Fade Cream. If you have any other questions concerning these two spot treatments, let me know in the comment section. I don't want to make this section too long, because I can see already on my camera I have been talking for a very, very long time. Now that we're done talking about the brightening face creams, what you can use to brighten up your skin, brighten up your dark spots and your hyperpigmentation, let us go into the hydrating face cream. Now, hydration is one of the most important stages of, you know, having a healthy skin. A healthy skin is a skin that is hydrated. So if you want to have hydrated skin this year, probably maybe your face is always dry, you know, your skin is not glowy. Some people's skin is just soft and supple. You can see that their skin is very, very soft. Their skin is just like a baby's butt. If you want to have that type of skin, then sis, you need to start focusing on hydration. Now, if you want to go for hydrating face creams, you want to make sure that this face cream contains ceramides, it also contains your hyaluronic acid and also glycerin, because these three components are like, you know, they have to be in something. If you say a face cream is hydrating, is moisturizing, then you should be seeing your hyaluronic acid inside, you should be seeing glycerin inside, you should be seeing ceramides inside, because these would help to, you know, hydrate the face. Now, if you have very, very dry skin and you are looking for a face cream to moisturize your skin, I would recommend this one from CeraVe. This is the CeraVe moisturizing face cream. Now, this face cream contains ceramides and also hyaluronic acid that would, you know, help to hydrate your skin and make your skin really, really plump, youthful and glowy. If you want to get a brighter skin and hydrated skin, get a good potent serum as your brightening agent and add it with a moisturizing cream. Together you have gotten brightening and hydrating together. Okay, now another face cream that I am going to recommend, now this one is for those of us that want to have hydrated and moisturized face, but our skin is oily. If you have oily to combination skin, some people used to say, oh, I have oily skin, I'm not going to use any face cream, my skin produces too much oil. If you're in that category, sis, you still need a face cream. You still need a face cream, but the kind of face creams you should be getting are face creams that have very, very lightweight, face creams that are in gel form. And I'm going to recommend this one for you. This one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. This is a gel cream that is perfect for those of us that have oily to combination skin. It is not going to be heavy on your skin. In fact, this is just one of the best face creams for those of us that have oily to combination skin. It is not going to feel like you put something heavy on your skin, and you're just going to love how your skin is going to be hydrated and moisturized. Another face cream that you can use is this Simple Rich Replenishing Moisturizer. This is a very, very rich moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, whatever your skin type, this Simple goes with all skin types. Okay, it contains I think it contains glycerin, provitamin B5 and other great ingredients that would help to moisturize your skin and make your skin look really, really beautiful, irrespective of the kind of skin type that you have. Now, the last face cream I am going to be mentioning in this hydrating category is the Bioderma Hydro Bio Gel Cream. I'm not so sure how it is pronounced right now, but this cream, you can use it as a brightening face cream and also a moisturizing face cream, because it contains salicylic acid, niacinamide, it has squalene inside of it. This is a very, very good face cream. Bioderma, like, their products are really, really good. It has really, really good ingredients. So this face cream is for those of us that have normal to sensitive skin. If your skin is normal, you can use this face cream. If your skin is dry, you can use it. If your skin is sensitive, you can use it. Okay, it is going to provide the right amount of hydration to your skin type. Okay, now that we're done talking about hydrating face creams, because all these face creams I made mention of, they are in the hydrating category. That is the CeraVe, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, the Simple Replenishing Moisturizer, and this Bioderma. They are all under hydrating face creams. Now let's go into anti-aging face creams, because a lot of us are entering into our 30s very soon and we want to start using anti-aging face creams. It is very, very important that, you know, whatever your skin would look like when you are old, it is as a result of what you have been doing when you were younger. So if you want to have a good looking skin when you are older, you have to take care of your skin right now that you are still young, that you still have the time, that you still have the strength, because skincare, self-care takes a little bit of strength. Okay, so guys, for this category of anti-aging face cream, I'm going to mention this one from Olay. This is the Olay Regenerist. I'm not so sure how to pronounce it right now, but I'm going to put the name on the screen. This is the Olay Retinol 24 face cream. Now this is formulated to be a night cream because it contains retinol. Retinol is not meant to be used during the day. This face cream, it is going to help to brighten up your skin, because retinol sometimes helps to like increase cell turnover, and make your skin more brighter. It's going to help to visibly brighten up your skin. It's going to help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles because of the retinol in it, and help to like raise the skin's firmness by over 27% in a period of 4 weeks. Now, another face cream in this anti-aging category is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream with peptides. Now, this face cream, peptides are building blocks of protein that help with skin elasticity, and they also help to support the skin renewal process. Okay, so if you want a very good anti-aging face cream for your face, something that will help to like increase the elasticity of your skin and help you age better, then this e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream with peptide inside of it is what you should be using in 2025. Now let's go into the last category of face creams. This one is the barrier repairing face cream. If you have damaged skin barrier from using any skin lightening products that might have caused your skin to have uneven skin tone, made your skin barrier to start being very sensitive to products, then you need to get barrier repairing face creams. They would really help you to get back your skin to its original, how it used to be before, and your skin will not be all that sensitive, and it will help your skin calm the inflammation and all of that stuff. If you want to get a barrier repairing face cream, you want to make sure that this barrier repairing face cream contains ingredients like your panthenol, contains ingredients like zinc, and contains ingredients like ceramides. Ceramides, panthenol, and zinc are barrier repairing skin ingredients. Okay, the first barrier repairing face cream I'm going to recommend is this one from La Roche-Posay. This is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast. I'm not so sure how to pronounce it right now, but the name is going to be on the screen. Now, this face cream contains panthenol, which is your vitamin B5, medicaicide, I'm not so sure how to pronounce it, to be honest, and it also contains shea butter. Shea butter is a good barrier repairing ingredient. It contains panthenol. Panthenol is a very good barrier repairing ingredient. This face cream is best for a damaged skin, for an over exfoliated skin. A skin that is over exfoliated is a skin that is irritated and damaged. So if your skin is over exfoliated, you can use a barrier repairing face cream. You can also use this face cream if you have irritated skin. This face cream is going to help to calm down inflammation, calm down irritation, and help to build back your skin barrier. Second face cream I'm going to be recommending for you guys if you have a damaged skin barrier is this one from Anwar. This one is this is the face cream I use. I have showed you guys several times on my channel. I have it on my shelf right now. This is the Anwar Ceramide Plus Panthenol Moisturizer. Like I said earlier, any moisturizer that has panthenol, that has ceramides, and that has zinc inside of it, it is going to help to repair your damaged skin barrier. So you can use this moisturizer if your skin is damaged, if you have bleached skin, if you have irritated skin. It is going to help to bring back the pH of your face and also help with your damaged skin barrier. Okay, all right guys, so I think that is all for today's video. If you guys have any questions for me, if you want to ask me any questions, you are confused on anything that I have made mention of, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any video idea for me, feel free to let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to make that video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.